Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. So we're back on our Arabic lessons and it's a continuation of assessments of lesson 3. So we are continuing from where we ended. We ended on number 2 رقم 2. املأ الفراغ فيما يلي بوضع كلمة مناسبة. املأ الفراغ فيما يلي بوضع كلمة مناسبة. Fill the blank spaces in each of the following sentences with a suitable word. So basically what is needed here is you need to fill up in these blank spaces with a suitable word of your choice to make a sound sentence. So that's basically what's going to happen. So what will happen here, we have رقم واحد, number 1, dash غني, فراغ غني. Then رقم 2, فراغ حلو. رقم 3, فراغ مريض. رقم 4, فراغ لذيذ. رقم 5, فراغ طويل. رقم 6, فراغ قصير. In other words, in English language, number 1, dash غني, dash rich. So a suitable word could be التاجر غني, that a businessman is wealthy or a businessman is rich. Number 2, رقم 2, حلو. So a suitable word could be التفاح or السكر حلو. السكر حلو. In other words, sugar is tasty or sweet. Sugar is tasty or the sugar is sweet. السكر حلو. رقم 3, number 3, مريض, which is sick or ill. So you could say الطالب مريض. الطالب مريض, that the student is sick. رقم 4, number 4, لذيذ, tasty. You could either say التفاح لذيذ. التفاح لذيذ, which means an apple is tasty. An apple is tasty. رقم 5, number 5, طويل, which means tall. So you could say a suitable word that could make the sentence become a sound sentence could be المدرس طويل, that the teacher is tall. رقم 6, number 6, قصير, which means short. So you could say الولد قصير. الولد قصير, which means the boy is short. The boy is short. And in many instances, most of the boys are short because they're still young and they're still growing up. So it's not strange to find a boy that is short. So by saying those words, we are done with this exercise, which is the exercise of filling the blank spaces to construct a sound sentence. Thank you for watching, and if you're tuning in for the first time, please give us a like and click the notification bell so that you're notified every single time we post a new video. And thank you so much, and see you in the next one.